Meaning of implementation.
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 Implementation. The term implementation refers to the process of putting a plan or idea into action. It involves carrying out a particular course of action or project based on a given set of instructions or guidelines. Implementation can be applied in various fields such as business, technology, education, and government policies. Successful implementation requires effective planning, resource allocation, execution, monitoring, and evaluation. The ultimate goal of implementation is to achieve the desired outcome or result that was envisioned in the initial plan. Thus, it is an essential step in bringing about positive changes and progress in any field or sector.